Your commercial cleaners suck, and it's their fault. There's probably 3 good reasons why this is happening to them. Let's get into it. If you're new to the channel, my name is Matt, and please subscribe. We regularly have new content about everything commercial cleaning related. Today we're going to talk about the reasons that your commercial cleaners likely are doing a terrible job for you. Starting off with, they assume that every customer is the same and the needs of that customer are the same. So what does that result in? Well, it results in they coming up with a templated service schedule for your facility without asking you the pertinent questions of what your needs are and what your expectations are. That's a recipe for disaster and typically results in you being dissatisfied and they having to make adjustments very quickly, and in some cases, they may not even know how to make those adjustments. That's a big problem when it comes to why they could be doing a terrible job for you. So the second reason why you're going to have some issues with your commercial cleaners is price and profit. If they're not taking into consideration the importance of having the right price so that they can consistently provide you with service, they're going to cut corners. And if they cut corners, you're going to be unhappy. Unfortunately, because they didn't consider not only their price but their profit, they're not able to work with that profit to create better programs and services for you. All of these things are important in order for you to get the best possible service. Price and profit, gotta have it. The last reason, which is a very important one, is training. Are they training their staff to enhance their skills? Are they training their staff to be consistent in the services that they're providing? Well, unfortunately, if they don't have the price and profit, it's very unlikely they're going to be able to afford to do training. And that's something that they all go together, but training and having consistent training is so important for them to not suck. So that wraps up the 3 reasons why your commercial cleaners suck, and it's their fault. The next step is for you to download the guide below. It will help you to determine what are the services that you need in your facility. So if you are new to us, again, please subscribe below. We look forward to seeing you back here soon. Until then, have a great day.